Once upon a Halloween night, there was a little girl named Anja. She wore an orange pumpkin costume and carried a shiny lantern. She loved Halloween, but was a little scared of ghosts. As Anja walked down the windy road, the leaves danced around her feet. She heard whispers from the trees saying, "Don't be afraid, little one." Suddenly, Anja saw a tiny light floating in the air. It wasn't a firefly, it was a little ghost. The ghost said softly, "Hello, I'm Whimsy." "I'm not scary, I just get lonely." Anja smiled and waved. "I'm Anja, let's be friends." Whimsy led Anja to a forest full of talking pumpkins. They giggled and sang, "Happy Halloween!" Anja clapped and danced with them. Suddenly, candy started falling from the sky, chocolates, lollipops and caramel. Anja and Whimsy filled their pockets, laughing with joy. They reached a tall, dark castle with glowing windows. "That's where the Ghost King lives," said Whimsy. Anja took a deep breath and knocked on the door. The Ghost King floated out, smiling gently. "Thank you for visiting, brave child," he said. "You've brought light to our Halloween night." The Ghost King touched Anja's lantern, and it sparkled with rainbow light. "Now you can see kindness in every shadow," he said. When morning came, Anja woke up in her bed. Her lantern still glowed softly. She smiled, remembering her ghost friends and their candy rain. Moral of the story: don't be afraid of what looks different. Kindness shines brighter than fear.